In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop people editing a Microsoft Loop page. If you've ever shared a Loop page for reference and watched it change in real time because others could edit, this quick setup will help you switch that link to view only so people can read without making changes. Start by opening Microsoft Loop at loopmicrosoft.com and navigating to the exact page you want to restrict. Make sure you're on the page itself, not just the Workspace overview, so the sharing options apply to the right content. It also helps to confirm you have the page open in its most recent version so you're sharing the correct link. Next, look to the top right corner and select Share. This opens the sharing pane for the page. You might be used to copying a link straight from here, but we're going to adjust the permissions first to prevent editing. In the sharing pane, choose the page link or whichever link you plan to send out. Then select Settings under the Link section. This is where you control what people can do with that specific link. It's important to know that permissions are tied to the link you share, so changing them here ensures anyone using that link follows the rules you set. Now you'll see the permission drop-down that typically says Can Edit. Change that to Can View. This flips the link into a read-only experience. With Can View selected, people who open the page from that link can read, scroll, and copy text if needed, but they can't type, move content, add new components, or delete anything. Keep in mind that this change affects the link you're configuring. If someone already has direct edit access through other sharing methods, they may still be able to edit until their direct permission is adjusted separately. When you're ready, select Apply to save the new permission, and then click Copy to get your updated link. Share this link with your audience, and they'll have view-only access. If you've sent an older link that allowed editing, replace it with this new one to keep your page protected. A quick way to confirm everything worked is to open the link in a private browser window or a different profile and verify that you see a view-only indicator and no editing controls. That's it. Open the page, go to Share, adjust the link settings, switch Can Edit to Can View, and share the updated link. Your content stays clear and consistent, while viewers get exactly what they need without accidental edits.